Welcome to Kellum Law Firm's YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at aggressive driving and road rage. Aggressive driving and road rage is becoming more and more common on today's roads. These behaviors can put other drivers, passengers, and pedestrians at risk of injury or even death. The single most important piece of information we can offer here is to never engage directly with an aggressive driver exhibiting signs of road rage. Let's start out by taking a look at the following. How to act when encountering road rage. The first and most important rule when dealing with an aggressive driver is to remain calm and avoid escalating the situation. It is important to remember that the other driver is likely acting out of frustration or anger, and any aggressive response from you is only going to make things worse. Try to stay calm and avoid any actions that might be interpreted as aggressive or confrontational, such as honking your horn or making gestures. If another driver is acting aggressively toward you, do not engage with them in any way. This means not making eye contact, not responding to their gestures or verbal insults, and not getting out of your car. Engaging with an aggressive driver will only encourage them to continue their behavior and can escalate the situation further. If you are being followed or tailgated by an aggressive driver, it is important to keep a safe distance from their vehicle. This means maintaining a safe following distance and not getting too close to their car. If necessary, pull over to the side of the road and let the other driver pass. One of the best ways to avoid road rage incidents is to practice defensive driving. This means being aware of your surroundings, anticipating the actions of other drivers, and taking steps to avoid potential hazards. If you feel threatened or in danger, do not hesitate to call the authorities. You can dial 911 or the emergency number in your area to report the aggressive driver and ask for assistance. If possible, provide the authorities with the license plate number of the other vehicle and a description of the driver. If you have been a victim of aggressive driving or road rage, you may be wondering if you can sue the other driver. The answer is, it depends. To successfully sue someone for aggressive driving or road rage, you need to be able to prove that their behavior caused you harm. This can be difficult, as it may be hard to establish a direct link between the other driver's behavior and any injuries or damage you sustain. However, there are some situations in which you may be able to pursue legal action. For example, if the other driver intentionally hit your vehicle or caused you to crash, you may be able to sue for damages. And, if the other driver was driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol, you may also be able to sue for damages. To build a strong case, it's important to gather as much evidence as possible. This can include witness statements, police reports, and photos or videos. Contact information. Get the names, addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses of all drivers, passengers, and witnesses involved in the accident. Insurance information. Obtain the insurance company name and policy number of all drivers involved in the accident. Driver's license information. Record the driver's license number, state of issuance, and expiration date for all drivers involved. Vehicle information. Make, model, year, and license plate numbers for all vehicles involved. Police report. If the police are called to the scene, make sure to obtain a copy of the police report. Witness statements. Ask witnesses for their account of the accident, and obtain their contact information. Medical information. If anyone is injured in the accident, make sure to obtain their medical information, including any treatment received at the scene or at a hospital. By gathering this evidence, you can help establish the facts of the accident and protect your legal rights. It's important to do this as soon as possible after the accident, as memories can fade and evidence can be lost. But what about an incident of road rage that doesn't involve an actual collision? A victim of road rage can suffer emotional stress or even develop post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, as a result of the traumatic experience. Road rage incidents can be very frightening, and victims may feel a sense of powerlessness and fear for their safety during and after the incident. PTSD can develop after experiencing or witnessing a traumatic event, and symptoms may include flashbacks, nightmares, anxiety, and avoidance of situations that remind the person of the event. In the case of road rage, a person may experience these symptoms as a result of the fear and stress they experienced during the incident. It is important for victims of road rage to seek support from loved ones and mental health professionals if they are experiencing emotional distress or symptoms of PTSD. Proving a case of PTSD and being able to attribute the cause to the aggressive driving behavior of another individual might be difficult, and would likely depend on the specific circumstances of the incident and the legal system of the jurisdiction where the incident occurred, along with having solid corroborative eyewitness statements. In general, in order to successfully sue for emotional distress or PTSD, a victim would need to show that the road rage incident caused them significant psychological harm and that the driver's actions were a direct cause of that harm. This can be difficult to prove, as emotional distress and PTSD are often subjective and can be difficult to diagnose. If you've been involved in a road rage-related accident in North Carolina, whether as a driver or another party, it's essential to consult with an experienced attorney. A good attorney can help you navigate the complexities of liability, contributory negligence, and insurance claims, working to ensure your rights are protected and you receive the compensation you deserve. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, please visit our website at www.kellumlawfirm.com. Check the description below for more information about this video.